You know you're a true audiophile when the mere mention of a turntable makes your heart skip a beat. The best turntables out there are like magical portals that transport you to a world where music is richer, vibes are groovier, and life just sounds better. Whether you're a vinyl aficionado or a newbie looking to dive headfirst into the analog audio experience, buckle up because we're about to explore the best turntables that will elevate your listening game to new heights. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT, our pick for best budget turntable. Hey there, fellow vinyl aficionados. Let's talk about a little turntable gem that won't break the bank but will definitely up your vinyl game. Picture this, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT, your new partner in vinyl crime. Setting it up is a breeze for seasoned vinyl voyagers, but newbies, brace yourself for a touch of hands-on assembly fun. What's cool? Bluetooth capability. Strap on those wireless headphones or blast tunes through your speakers with ease. Plus, with a switchable phono preamp, you can hook it up to just about anything. Talk about versatility. Now let's groove on the sound. The AT-LP60XBT delivers that warm vinyl experience we all know and love. If you prefer a sharper edge in your tunes, you might yearn for more crispness. But hey, music taste is a personal journey, right? The ATN3600L stylus dances magically in the grooves, unraveling hidden song nuggets you never knew existed. As we put it in our review, listening is now a total joy. Sleek, matte, and oh so lightweight. This turntable is a space-saving champion. But hold up, it's delicate. While it's not clumsy, the plastic fantastic construction might not scream luxury. But hey, if you're after simplicity and a wallet-friendly price tag, the AT-LP60XBT could be the one for you. And that Bluetooth feature? Ladies and gents, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT, your ticket to vinyl paradise on a budget. Number 4. Fluance RT81, our pick for best turntable with built-in preamp. So, you're thinking about diving into the vinyl world, huh? Well, let me tell you about this little gem called the Fluance RT81. It's like the beginner turntable whispering, "Hey, I got you! It's a breeze to set up, perfect for vinyl rookies. But hey, don't underestimate it. You can pimp it up later with a swanky cartridge for extra oomph. And get this, no need to stress about snagging a separate phono preamp because this turntable already has one built in. Want to go big in the future? You can shut that feature off and hook up a powerhouse external preamp. Go on, turn it up. Our ears had a jolly good time with the sound this baby delivered during testing. But, of course, life's not all rainbows. The auto-off feature is nifty for protecting your needle. But, alas, you still gotta tuck the arm in yourself. A minor chore, really. Oh, and you gotta play DJ and cue those records yourself. Not a biggie. Unless you dream of a vinyl fairy doing all the work for you. If you want a turntable that's all style, all performance, and a dash of upgrade potential, the Fluance RT81 is your jam. As we say in our secret reviewer language, it's the turntable that just gets it right, looks snazzy, and can grow with you. Still searching for the perfect turntable? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Angels Horn H019, our pick for best all-in-one turntable. Hey there, audio aficionados and vinyl lovers, listen up. Let's talk about those all-in-one record players. Now, we know they've gotten a bit of a bad rap for sacrificing sound quality. But fear not, the Angels Horn H019 is here to change the game. Picture this, a sleek wood finish top, a sturdy metal platter, and an adjustable tone arm that screams quality. This turntable looks and feels like a top-notch turntable. And guess what? It sounds clearer and fuller than most in its class. Yes, you read that right. Equipped with an Audio-Technica AT-3600L phono cartridge, the H019 is not just about looks, it's got the substance too. Want to play music from your phone or other sources? No problem. Thanks to Bluetooth and an analog audio input, your tunes will sound crystal clear. Now, I know what you're thinking. Setup can be a pain. But fear not, fellow music lovers. The manual has got your back. It's like having a trusty sidekick guiding you through the setup process. And hey, a little effort for exceptional sound quality? Totally worth it. So if you're craving that warm, authentic vinyl sound without compromising on convenience, the Angels Horn H019 is your new jam. Trust me, your ears will thank you. Let the music play. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB, our pick for best turntable for beginners. Ready to turn your vinyl listening game up a notch? Meet our LP120, the undisputed champion of entry-level turntables. Why is it so boomtastic, you ask? Well, for starters, it dishes out amazing sound quality that'll have your ears doing a happy dance. And if durability is your jam, this turntable's sturdy build will have you covered for days. But wait, it gets even better. Ever dreamt of bringing your vintage vinyl gems into the digital age? Say hello to our USB-enabled wonder that lets you rock out to your favorite tunes while conveniently saving them as MP3 files on your computer. Talk about a win-win situation for your music collection. Plus, it comes packing its very own superhero cape in the form of a built-in phono preamp. This nifty little feature ensures that, no matter where you want to groove, whether it's through a modern sound system, powered speakers, or headphones, your tunes sound sweeter than a juicy stack of pancakes on a Sunday morning. And the best part? No ancient ritual sacrifice is necessary to plug it in. Just slide it into any device with standard RCA or USB ports, and you're in business. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo, our pick for best turntable overall. Ready to immerse yourself in the sweet serenade of vinyl? Enter the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo, the turntable that's so sharp on detail, it practically turns music into a 3D experience. Decked out with a carbon fiber tone arm armed with a top-notch Ortophon cartridge, this turntable means serious business when it comes to audio quality. It's not just a pretty face either. A slick new motor design, adjustable feet, and automatic speed change add a dash of sophistication to its killer performance, blowing its predecessors out of the water. This turntable doesn't just sound good, it sounds darn fantastic. With a steel platter that's now stealthily quiet thanks to some noise-reducing magic, and a speed change switch that's a breeze to flick, this turntable is a smooth operator from start to finish. The carbon fiber tone arm is a cherry on top, hosting the Ortophon 2 M-Red cartridge or Sumiko Rainier cartridge in the American version, delivering that warm, rich sound we all crave. Choose from a selection of stylish finishes to blend seamlessly with your decor and marvel at the pinnacle of Pro-Ject's artistry. The Debut Carbon Evo isn't just a turntable, it's a musical masterpiece. Sure, it comes with a price tag, but it's worth every penny for the sonic symphony it delivers. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best turntables. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which turntable you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.